Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some of the most exciting AI driven coding tools that are transforming how developers work. We're going to discuss top 5 AI coding tools. From automated code completion to intelligent coding assistance, these tools are designed to boost your productivity and enhance your coding experience. So, whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, stay tuned as we explore these innovative solutions today. So the most excited AI tool AI coding support which you're going to see is what is the Cody. Okay, so Cody is a coding assistant, AI assistant, which uses artificial intelligence, which will understand your code base and help you to write and understand the code faster. So here you can easily see this is the coding segment which is created by Cody. Okay, so here this will complete your code very faster, and you can see now Cody is available in these three IDEs. So IDEs are basically like integrated development environment where we usually type our codes. So this is available in VS Code, JetBrains IDE, and NeoVim. Okay, and once if you scroll down, you can see more about Cody, like where it is really used. So of course we all know it is used to generate Python code. Apart from that, it is also used for various other coding languages as well. So Cody is like the supported environment we have seen, and this is basically it is supporting for Python. Okay, and they haven't specifically mentioned any coding languages. Of course it helps us for all the commonly used global languages. Okay, so before we proceed to the next four codings, like next four AI codings, AI support tool, I just wanted to tell you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now. And here you can find a lot of useful playlist for you. Okay, so just go ahead, and if you are new and if you are a fresher, so go ahead and click here skill up. Okay, you can find various information about the technology, free courses and everything, and you can find a lot of various playlists here. Okay, so let us back to the second tool, which is GitHub Copilot. This is really, most of you might have known. Okay, GitHub Copilot, so which is an AI driven coding assistant which enhances the software development process by offering contextualized support, which can range from code completion to in depth explanation and documentation. It is designed to boost developer productivity and satisfaction by reducing the time spent on repetitive coding tasks. So what are the IDEs it supports? Just scroll down, like you can see. Okay, it supports various IDEs like VS Code. Okay, of course most of the AI support tools are available in VS Code, NeoVim, Visual Studio, JetBrains IDE, and it's also coming soon in Google Play Store and App Store. Like you can use it in Play Store and App Store as well, and they have some specific pricing. If you are individual, you can access this for 10 USD. You can simply connect it through the Visual Studio Code. And if you want me to show you like how to connect GitHub Copilot or Codium or whatever the tool which you are going to which you are going to discuss today, please comment it like yes, or tell us how to connect a Codium with a Visual Studio Code or something. I will help you. That I will create it as a separate video. Okay, and here it supports languages like Python, JavaScript, AL coding. Like if you are a business central professional, it also supports AL programming. It also creates a AL like automated coding here. So the beneficial, like apart from this, there are a lot of other coding languages which also it supports. Other than that, GitHub Copilot can significantly benefit software developers and engineers who are looking to streamline their coding process. It is particularly useful for those frequently working with well supported language and using the supported IDEs. So, developers can focus more on complex problem solving and less on routine coding, potentially leading to a higher job satisfaction and productivity. So this is my top end account. If you have any queries, if you wanted to connect with me, you can just connect with me through this. You can find the link in the description box. Okay, so you can find, if you have any queries related to technology or a career guidance or certification readiness, what certification you wanted to do, okay, like mock interview, resume review, interview preparation tips, so whatever, you can just schedule a call here. So the next important tool which we are going to discuss is what the Code GPT. So Code GPT is an another exciting tool. This specific tool is present a platform hosting over 100 AI assistants. It's specializing in various domains such as sales, HR, finance, customer support, coding, and more. So the content here, you can see this is Code GPT, where if you wanted to install this in Visual Studio Code, you can download the extension. Here you can find which GPT you can use it for the specific code. Okay, for example, here you can see J is LangChain. So if you are writing a code on LangChain, you can use this specific extension in VS Code. And this is for OpenAI GPT. This is for Angular 14 expert. Okay, like this you can find more GPT specifically for code. Okay, that is what the main thing here for the Code GPT. Okay, so like here, this is not like, it supports various languages. You can find various languages, and it supports the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Code GPT can benefit a wide range of professionals looking to enhance productivity and efficiency in their respective fields, whether it's the coding, handling emails, customer support, or specific business operations like sales or HR. Code GPT AI assistant offer tailored support that can adapt to unique demands of various users and industries. Okay, and this is my e-tech store. If you want, like if you are preparing for any exams or any interviews, no, like Business Central, you can see Tableau, you can see Power BI, Business Central Functional. So you can find the eight ebooks here. I'll be uploading it. I'm planning for the Tableau interview question and answers, Power Apps interview question and answers, Power Automate interview question and answers. So if you have any other technology in your mind, you can just comment that. I'll be helping you out. And the next tool which we're going to discuss, this is a fourth tool, which is Amazon Code Whisperer. Okay, so Amazon Code Whisperer is an another exciting tool. Okay, so it's an AI driven code generation tool providing by Amazon AWS, designed to help developers by suggesting code snippets and entire code structures based on the context within their projects. This tool is integrated within the development environment, potentially enhancing productivity and accelerating project timeliness. So this, you can, I couldn't find any specific IDEs. I think it is typically used for Amazon Web Services based tools. Okay, so hopefully it should also support Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, JetBrains suite as well. So like just we can scroll and see, you can see, yeah. So these are all the possible IDEs which it supports: Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, AWS Cloud, and AWS Lambda. And also it supports these languages: Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and C Sharp. So you can see it supports various things. Okay, so you can try this as well. So Code Whisperer can be beneficial for developers of all levels who are working for to streamline their coding process. It would be particularly useful for those working within the AWS ecosystem, as it likely offers integration and suggestions that are tailored to maximize the efficiency of the developing cloud applications on AWS. So yes, this is my blog. So I'll be updating about this particular top five AI coding assistant here in my blog. So keep watching this. The link is in the description. You can find all these links in the description. Okay, and finally, we are going to see an last AI coding thing is what Codium. Okay, so the Codium is also this is an another exciting ID, that is AI support. Okay, and here it is used for free AI code completions and chat capabilities, which is likely to design to assist developers by automatically completing code snippets and facilitating coding related discussions or queries. So once if you scroll down, you can see, like, if you want to know more about the Codium, or like, you can just scroll and see it supports various various IDEs, like, see, Visual Studio Code. It is even it's launching Chrome, Collab, and Eclipse, Jupyter, various things, and it also supports various other coding languages as well. So it supposes, I think of course it will support Python, JavaScript, Java, okay, and various other languages as well. So just comment if you want to know more about any specific AI assistant. I can definitely help you out with that. So thank you all for your attention to this particular thing. To sum up, these AI coding tools are revolutionizing the software development landscape. Whether you are improving existing code bases or starting new projects, tools like Cody, GitHub Copilot, Codium, Code Whisperer, this will help you code more efficiently and effectively. Don't forget to check out each tool's official site for the latest updates and the detailed information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. And check the description. And if you have any specific topics to be discussed in the video, please comment it. Thank you. Take care, and bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video.